Hello everybody, my name is Ryan and welcome to the second episode in this tutorial where I will be showing you how to create a basic HTML website. Now, for the rest of the tutorial we're going to change this basic template, which we have here, into this, which is a lot better. I'll be teaching you it all, which is here. And it's all here. So let's get started. So what you want to do, download link in the description for what we've done so far for this new bit here. And right. So you could pretty much copy. If you don't want to copy, you can just do what I've got here. But the one that we've already got here is useless, and we're going to be using this one now. This one here was just to show you the basic. So this one that we made was just to show you like the basics of HTML, but now we're going to start work on this one. So what you want to do, you want to copy. Oh, I didn't mean to close that. You want to copy all of this that I've put into here, paste it into here, because it's better. And I've only got this opened as a local file, not the website yet. So if I refresh, it's all there. So now we're gonna have a look. You want to put your name here. I've put Ryan O'Connor. That's the title there. Now we start with a header. This is all controlled through CSS layout right here. Oh, where is it? Here it is. So if you don't like this color up here, or you want to change some stuff, you do that through the layout.css in the styles folder. And yeah, so whoops, I zoomed. Oh, didn't mean to zoom out. Right, that's better. So, but we're gonna stick with what I've made. I'll show you once we've finished how to change it, but for now we'll stick with this. So let's go through it. This is the title and tagline there. I'm now changing tagline to making tutorials for the community. F5. There you go. Link 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here we go. So yeah, come down. This is the main. This bit here, the header and stuff. This is the bigger one, and if you click that, it will carry on. If you have an image, you will place the image in here. But to change it, you just change this to wherever you save the image to, and the name of the image, and that's that. Now if we move on down to these ones here, we have these here. Same thing. Want to change it, change the image, location and name to whatever you've got, and then you change the text, the content, and the header. So if we move on down to these bits here, you will see that it's from, I think, here. Yes, here. It's this bit here. And again, change the name of the image, same as everything else. Now down the bottom here, please do keep this line here. It does give recognition to me. and I do appreciate it if you keep that there. But yeah, and here you'll put your site name, then the link to it so they can click on it. And here you'll put your name or the name of your site, and that'll turn up down here. And that bit. And as you can see, this will go to my website. That's, oh, I forgot, it's the beta version. There you go. That's my old site. I'm working on a new one. This is my new one I use for quite a lot of things, as you can see. And I'm adding a new personal zone to it. So yeah. So that's my site. If we just go back to this. As you can see, it's a similar design. I went with roughly the same, but that's that bit. How long have we got? How long? 6 minutes it's been, right. I'll quickly go and... Actually, no. So if we have a look at the CSS quickly, so I can show you how it works. Styles, CSS. This is how you'll change like the colors and stuff like that. Like change the colors of the text, change the actual text font, like the font of it, change the this, that, pretty much everything through CSS. As you can see. Here we go. So for the body, this is if you want to change, where is it? Body. I'll try and show you. This is if you want to change this on here, the background and the text. I believe it is anyway. That's what I think I set it to. I made this a day or two ago, so I'm not too sure. But yeah, pretty much just look through here for what you're looking for. So like, this is where you change the fonts, font family stuff, the background color, the color of the text, font size. Just trying to find out. Here's the header. If you want to change the color of the header, that's the nav bar. Where did I put the header bit? Okay, so if you want to change the color of the header, change it here. Let's just put it on dark grey, I believe this is. If I refresh that, this bit changes here. It's not what I wanted because I didn't mean for the nav bit to change. I wanted it to change up here, didn't I? But yeah, this is pretty much it. You want to change anything for the nav bar, it'll be here. CSS is cascading style sheet, so it's like where you change the colors and stuff. So like colors of stuff and I don't know, like the colors and stuff. I'm not really that keen on CSS. I usually just stick with the basics, but here I've gone full out and just save that. Refresh. As you can see there, it's back to normal. So yeah, this is the home page. I'll quickly change all this into my stuff. This will be sped up footage for you, by the way. Actually, I'll pause it. So I have just been working on the making this my own, and I have been able to. And this is what it looks like in action, should I say. Slowly scroll up. I quite like it. So there'll be a link in this. I think this will be fine for this episode. I will leave it here. Next episode we'll look at. I'm not sure what we'll do. Oh, next episode we'll get the pages working, and the link is in the description if you want to buy this template. Well, it will be when the tutorial's finished. There will be a link on the last video with a taking you to the page where you can buy the template from me for your website. So until then, goodbye.